Hello everyone, welcome back to Chic Spaces. I am Apeksha and we are here to showcase a new project that we have just completed. This apartment is located in a new community called Golden Oriole, which is situated in Manikonda. We at Chic Spaces believe that every house is a reflection of the people residing in it, and this one is no exception. This house is the perfect combination of traditional with contemporary. The subtle choice of colors, wallpapers and tiles make it even more beautiful. So, let us take a tour of this new chic space.